back to the channel, guys. Today we are out with Noelle. As the title and the intro and whatnot of this video, I am going to be working on my truck, of course. But to start the video off, I thought it'd be kind of fun to start at one of my favorite ponds that I haven't fished in a while. I've only made one video here, and that was probably 2 years ago. So this is new to pretty much all of you. It is the sunken forest, I like to call it. There's trees everywhere. This place is absolutely insane. So much life, so many fish, and hopefully we can catch them today. It's gonna be a lot of pitching, flipping, maybe spinnerbait. We're gonna mess around with a little bit of everything. But yeah, I'm really excited to see how we can do at this pond right now before we go work on the truck, because the truck definitely needs some TLC. How are you feeling, Noelle? Pretty good?
Feeling amazing. So excited. Can't wait.
The energy we need. Let's go. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Mr. Tackle Box, but more on them later. But for now, let's go get in the kayak, see what we can make happen, and hopefully crank some fish for you guys. Finally. Out of all the fish I've missed all day, and this is the one that I catch. I can't even count how many fish I've missed. I'll take it though. Well, there's that. He is so warm. That's a good sign. Bye. Thanks for biting and actually staying pinned. I'm not gonna show all my missed hook sets because I embarrass myself enough on this channel, but if I were to show you guys all the hook sets that I've missed, it'd be pretty embarrassing. There we go. Not too much better, but no, better. Definitely better. Hey! You wanna go work on my truck, bud? I don't really know if I wanna. I'm just kidding, I really need to, and I want to. Bye, bud. Appreciate you. Upgrade. We love to see them upgrades. Let's go. Ah!
Let me see. Ow! Let me give you a... something to wipe that.
Oh, I'm just getting blood everywhere, my bad. Well, that's one way to just end a trip. Nice kayak send. Yeah, it sounds like it's full of water. Next part of this video will definitely be continued tomorrow because the sun's going down. But what just happened?
That was my Celsius my truck, and it's now in the bed.
Let's go.
Oops.
Nice one.
Yep, if you didn't know, that was my Apple and my Celsius.
That just hit the truck. Nice. Well, with that being said, we'll end on that note, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow working on the truck, doing some things, and giving her some TLC. And that's my phone that just fell.
What a good day.
Great. That's a mystery tackle box though. Taking a lift to go pick up my truck from the shop. It was there overnight. I dropped it off yesterday morning at like 7 a.m. So, but our video sponsor finally just showed up at the doorstep, as well as a bunch of other boxes. How's it going?
Good.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. I have a $500 limit per day on my card, and I just got declined and could only pay $490 something of the bill on the truck, and that's because I just spent like $8 on an Uber. So now I have to go to the bank and tell them I really just need to pay my bill, and that is not a scam. I'm going over $500 for my limit today. Really awkward. So next time I see you guys, we'll start cleaning the truck. I gotta go run to the bank, take some money out, and then come all the way back here to pay the bill. and then get gas. Today's an expensive day, $650 something to fix the truck. That is one way to break the bank account. This definitely needs to get fixed. All the screws kind of came off, but this whole draw is supposed to be attached. So that's gonna get fixed soon. I don't usually touch all the way back here, so there's a lot that needs to be taken out because I don't need all this stuff. We have a long way to go. Spring cleaning, man. Luckily, I haven't even touched the mattress because I've been in a -30 sleeping bag truck camping all winter. So we don't have to clean or do anything really with the mattress or the top layer sheet. We can keep that. But I'm thinking we take the mattress out so we can really vacuum the carpet, because I feel like the carpet really should be vacuumed right now. Look at this chaos though. This is gonna be a long day. visit me? Oh, thank you. Sit, sit, sit. Thank you for the toy. Are you gonna clean the truck now? Yeah? Okay, thank you. Never taken these out. I hope they just kind of go back in. This goes on the other side. That one.
Like all the way at the end.
Yeah. Come on now.
This?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Mystery tackle box. Today's video sponsor. Sorry to interrupt the video, but this is important. I've yet to open this. Let's see what's inside my mystery tackle box this month. So this month I got the multi-species box, which is going to be, again, multi-species, a little bit of everything. So we got like an inline spinner type of like, this is cool. I've never seen anything like that. So that's gonna be cool. We have a spoon, hair jig, micro mustat hooks, a Lucky John. This is a mystery tackle box exclusive, so you can't buy this anywhere. It only comes in mystery tackle boxes. Northland fishing tackle, dynamic micro spinner bait. That is one of the coolest things I've seen in quite some time. Your Tackle soft plastics, Road Runner inline spinner, a really cool sticker, and some soft plastic curly tail grubs, and a fake mustache. So this is usually what you get in your mystery tackle box. If you guys want to check out mystery tackle box, click that first link down below. Make sure to support the sponsor of today's video and any future sponsors, because they help keep my channel alive and help pay for gas, which is super important. Otherwise, I wouldn't be making this video right now. Go check them out, link down below. Get your first ever mystery tackle box, and you can do catfishing, trout fishing, bass fishing, whatever type of fishing you're into, saltwater fishing. They have those mystery tackle boxes. I promise you, check them out, link down below. Get your first box for as low as $9.99 with my code Becca at checkout. That's $10 for a box with well over $50 value of tackle. That's a win, folks. That's a freaking win. Check them out. Thank you so much, Mystery Tackle Box, for sponsoring today's episode. I am way too excited about this bait right here, so gonna catch some fish on it. All right, back to today's program. Not bad. Well, now I kind of just wait. We're gonna do some laundry. Just put it in the washer in case you were confused on what's going on. We're at the laundromat. Throw it in the dryer quite soon. Put the bed back into place. And I think we're gonna be good after that. We're making some improvements right now. The truck is looking very good. I'm gonna have to back in. done. And I don't have another $1. The last and final thing. We're here. We're doing it. I have a lot of nonchalant random blankets that I just kind of stick in on the sides, so ignore that. Like, I'll take this one and just kind of like shove it in the corner over here. And there she is, fully clean. The carpet looks great. The drawers are looking good. The bed's clean. All the sheets are done. Let's go. Well, hopefully you guys got a kick out of that one. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If you have, I know it was a little bit something different. We're not camping, not really doing much camping at all. We're just cleaning, but this is kind of like the reality of it. Like, I clean after pretty much every single trip we take, and it always takes me hours and hours, especially when I come home from like ice fishing trips. It's gonna take me hours to clean up, so every video is like, you see what you see, but there's a lot behind it too, and a lot of extra, so it feels pretty nice to kind of clean and show you guys how I usually clean. But it's been a little while since I've cleaned, to be honest. I've been kind of at a stump right now, a standstill, and needed to clean very badly. But with that being said, thank you so much for Mr. Tackle Box for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to go check them out, link down below. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I love and appreciate the hell out of you guys so freaking much, and I'll catch you beautiful people next time.